Hello YouTubers, today we're going to talk about how you can mine Bitcoin, Bitcash, Doge, Litecoin and Dash. So Coinpot, you gotta visit this. I'll have a link below my video, and through Coinpot it's like another wallet that through Coinpot wallet you will transfer to your Bitcoin, Litecoin wallet from there. So once you register on this, let me just sign in. Once you create an account there, you'll have your wallets. As I said, I've already worked on some mining Litecoins, and here you can see this is what I've got so far from mining. How does it work? It's very easy. So basically all you need to do is go there, and here, as I said, you can deposit Litecoin, withdraw to your Litecoin official wallet, and this is you just click there. It uses your CPU. You can use how much you want, so be careful not to use a lot and deplete your CPU. What I usually do is I use the low, or if I'm not using the laptop, I just use the medium. And as you can see here, this is how much Litecoins you mine, accordingly with the hashes. So once you press start mining, then it starts mining, and according to the threads and the CPU. Right, and they do offer some awesome integrations, like this is something that you can add on your sorry, we're gonna go there. You can add actually the mining on a website. If you have a website, that's my website, and I've just added it on, as you can see here. Just open a widget, add the HTML code there, and you've got the mining widget on your website. So you can mine wherever you want, etc. So that's Coinpot. Now let's talk about faucets. Faucets is also I'll have a link for that. Litecoin is the most popular. I read that it's legit. I'm testing it. They say that the minimum withdrawal is 0.002 if I'm not mistaken. So once you make an account here, and what will happen is you'll start claiming Litoshis. Litoshis are deposited to your Coinpot, and as you can see, you can just claim and it goes straight to your account, to your Coinpot. So now that I've done that, if I refresh that, logically it would show. So you just need to, I think even offline, if you don't, if you're not signed in, it just farms for you passively. You got here some daily bonuses, referral bonuses. Also, you can use their referral GIF. You just need to Google development tools, get the code, and add it here on your WordPress site or any site, and you get some referral bonus. As you can see here, there's a lot of ads. That's how they're making money, so it makes sense, because I was wondering, like, why would they give something that they're not profiting? But yeah, they have so much, they're making much on ads, and you can hover around those. Maybe there are something good there too. So regarding the scheme, where's that button? There's the reward system. Oh, there it is. So this changes. So in 5 minutes you get 175 Litoshis, 4 weeks 6,000, etc. In order to withdraw, as you see here, in order to withdraw, you need a minimum of 0.002. No fees. on withdrawals. That's the most important, and it takes 48 hours. So I'll update you once I make my first withdrawal, just to see if it's legit. However, I read it is legit, and we shouldn't worry about that. As you see here, this is the faucet payout that I took from here, and it's mobile compatible, so you can use it on the mobile too. That's it.